Hi guys, welcome back to the King's Blender editing tutorials, and today we're gonna learn how to make a cloud. Cloud. And to make a cloud, you have to first delete our cube, and then we're gonna enable an add-on or two add-ons, which we're gonna go to the preference, and then we're gonna go to add-ons, and you type mesh, and we're gonna enable the add mesh, and then now we can go to materials, and we're gonna click on the ball. We're gonna use a meta ball. For what you're gonna do, we're gonna duplicate the meta ball for some number of times, which I can do by doing the pressing the Control C for copy, and then Control V for some number of about 6 meta balls for the tutorial. And we're gonna move our meta balls by pressing on each of the meta ball, and we're gonna move it to some side to shape it like a cloud. So now we're gonna do some adjustment to make it look like a perfect cloud. You can do everything you want with it. Tweak some settings. You have to speed up. Do some manual adjustment like resizing and all the rest so that it may look like a cloud, a perfect cloud for you. So you have to do it how you want it, not how I want it. Maybe like a human, an animal, everything you want. So now we're almost done, and bam. Okay, we're done with making some manual adjustment. We're gonna apply this. Let's say some of the scale, which is we're gonna press the Control A, and then we're gonna add a volume empty. I'm gonna choose an empty, and then we'll go to the modifiers tab, and we're gonna select the mesh to volume. After we select the mesh to volume, we're gonna choose the metaball 7, which is all the metaballs combined in one, and it's going to change to a cloud. Now we can change the voxel amount. We're going to keep it a voxel amount, change it to 70, and amount of where 77 will do. And then mesh distance. I'm going to keep the mesh distance, click new. Then we go to our texture, and we're going to off the meta bar. I forgot to tell you that so that it will look like a cloud, and we're going to choose our cloud. Then we're gonna change the amount. We're gonna keep the rest the same, and we go to the amount. We ain't gonna change anything. We'll go to the amount. That's the only thing we're gonna change. The size to 70, not 80. 70 will do. About 80. Okay, let's put it 80. The bloom isn't that important, but I want to use the bloom. You can use it or not if you want. And then the color, I'll use the same white, the bright white. Now we're going to change the cycle. We can give it to cycles because the cloud has to be cycles. We're going to use the viewport. We're going to change it to rendered out view. Rendered view. I'm going to use the supported. Okay, supported has to be kept the same, but CPU has to be what? GPU, gaming processing unit. Or am I wrong? Oh, I really understand ICT. Let's continue. And now we're going to move to our globe. I usually use this. This can be found in Blender 2.9, Blender 3.0, but not in Blender 2.8, because this is unrealistic lighting. You don't need HDRI Haven. Okay. Let's render out our animation to check. We have to render out our animation by rendering image. Okay, we can check through that, but it will take a long time, so please remember to like and subscribe and leave a comment on the type of video I should make. Goodbye.